Alright, hello everyone, it's Mr. G here again. We're looking at Unit 3, Lesson 8. Basically what we're going to be doing is adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So numbers that have whole numbers that also have fractions attached to them. Okay, so as you can see, we have addition here, we have some that are subtraction. A very similar way of solving these. Looks like A, C, E, and so on. A, C, E, and G are addition, while B, D, F, and H are subtraction. So I'll do two examples of both. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Bumping my stand here. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, it's actually a little bit easier than you might think. Okay, I'm going to take this 2 here and say this is the same thing as saying 2 plus 1 plus 1/5. Okay, again, kind of sloppy handwriting there, but we can combine things that are the same. So 2 and 1 are both whole numbers. So I say that's 3 plus 1/5, and that's pretty easy. 3 plus 1/5 is 3 and 1/5. That's all you gotta do. Problem solved. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Subtraction can be a little bit trickier. Okay. So same idea, this is the same thing as saying 2 minus 1 minus 3/8. Okay, I'm going to do what I know how to do first. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 3/8. Okay, you're probably thinking, wait, this is a whole number and this is a fraction. How am I supposed to do that? Well, don't forget, if we're working with eighths and we have one whole, that means we have 8/8. So we can say 1 is the same as 8/8 minus 3/8, and this is all going to be over 8. Okay, we don't need to change this at all. Okay, it's the same denominator. 8 minus 3 is 5, and that's it. There's nothing that divides 5 and 8 evenly, so that's our answer. Okay, so that's number 1, A and B. I'm going to skip down here where it's a little more tricky. I'm going to do letters E and F. I'll leave C and D for you guys. Oh yeah, side duck. Come on, side duck. Let me get back in here. There we go. Alright, so this next one is 9 3/4 plus 8. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, this is the same thing as saying 9 plus 3/4 plus 8. Addition ones are really easy. Okay, I know that 9 and 8 are both whole numbers, so I'm going to add those together. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, so 17 plus 3/4 equals 17 and 3/4. Oh, easy. Okay, so additions go a lot faster than subtraction. Okay, letter F will be the most challenging one in this video. Okay, but if we rewrite it like this, 17 minus 15 minus 2/3. So again, ladies and gentlemen, when you say 17 minus 15 and 2/3, it's basically saying 17 minus 15 and also minus 2/3. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I know, the whole numbers first. 17 minus 15 is 2. I was about to write a 1, oh my goodness. And then minus 2/3. Okay, now, if we have a one whole number, like the number 1 here, it's a little bit easier to turn into a fraction. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to say 2 is the same thing as saying 1 plus 1. And then minus 2/3. Okay. What I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is this. I'm going to say 1 plus 3/3. Again, that's what this one is going to change into. Okay. Minus 2/3. So, ladies and gentlemen, from here, it's a little bit easier. I'm going to do this. I'm going to rewrite it. 1 3/3 minus 2/3. and then I'm going to put the parentheses around these. 3/3 minus 2/3 gives us 1/3 left. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. This happens all the time in class too. I'm rambling on, writing stuff, and then realize it's not even on the page. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let me get back here. 1 plus 3/3, again, that's 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? And then what I did is change the parentheses here. So 1 plus 3/3 minus 2/3. I know 3/3 minus 2/3 is 1/3, and then we have that 1 plus, giving us a total of 1 and 1/3 left over. Okay, and that's all we have to do. Again, I'm sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen, the whole not fitting on the screen. If you're not sure what to do, again, I would take the things you do know, and then again, you can always take whole numbers and turn them into fractions, okay? Just like we did here, we had 2. I turned that into 1 plus 1. I changed one of those ones to 3/3. It all means the same thing, okay? 3/3, same thing as 1. And then from there, I was able to take the fraction away. Okay, again, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a good night.